Whatalofa le mai mobile whawhong mai le tinu le nei vaenga o le aso o whaasalongo tu sao mai Eden Park o le nofuanga ia malai o leo le a ta aro le tato Manu Samoa maskotilani i le aso atai au fifio mo le vanoa ia malwhaia o ngal tato au head coach o le Manu Samoa le whianga Lemalu Tusi Pisi tulango i tapina ngal tato au ia mo le whamoe mo fwoi maltalonga skotilani le Manu Faftai mo le tahimi malo sifua
Malo lava.
ia o amalasu
Yeah, le bangu ia faftai.
Okay, captain's run is on at the moment, or my preparations are tamama Montano.
Yeah, it's the preparations have obviously gone to plan in terms of the work that the boys have put in. So the team's prepared individually, and as a team, we just look forward to celebrating it tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay. Are you happy with your selections with the boys? I mean, how you select the team?
Yeah, the selections, the guys that are here, the players that are here are the best players in Samoa.
Yeah.
So I'm really looking forward to and excited to see some new faces that get the opportunity to play and don that jersey, and I'm sure that they'll make their families and the nation proud.
Yeah. Talking about new faces, I was looking at the team list last night. I think it's about 7 or 6 of them debutants.
Yeah.
What are you expecting to see from their performance tomorrow?
Yeah, first things first, they've prepared really well as individuals.
Yeah.
And I'm just looking for them to execute their role within the team.
Yeah.
Obviously, we have systems within the team, and be themselves and express themselves.
Yeah. Okay. I'm aware that it's only a week and a few days that the team's been put together. Is that enough time, especially when you play against Scotland?
Oh, there's no excuses. At the end of the day, it's a game of rugby.
Yeah.
The time that we had is the time that we have.
Yeah.
And my challenge to the players was, and to the coaching staff, was make sure that we dial in on what we need to dial into to beat Scotland.
Yeah.
And for us to be clear as coaches, and also that helps the players to be clear as well.
Yeah. I'm aware that there is a game against Fiji coming up later on. What do you want your boys to take out of this game?
For us, it's first things first. Scotland, we're just looking to build combinations. Also, we're looking to bring the Samoan DNA, physicality, just no excuses, making sure that we get those combinations right, and that'll move on to Fiji.
Okay. Mental and physical preparations.
Yeah, the well-being of the players is always in the forefront of the management and the coaches, and we've tried everything possible to make sure that they do get a bit of downtime with their families, but at the end of the day, we're here to work. So the game tomorrow is a celebration of that preparation throughout the week, and I'm looking forward to really celebrating that with a really good performance for their families, for themselves and their families and the nation.
Yeah. Okay, Lemalu Tusi Pisi, congratulations, the head coach of the Manu Samoa. Is this one of your dreams, or?
I don't know if it was one of my dreams, but it's what God's called me to do.
Yeah.
So I'm here now, and know that the team's always going to be prepared, and also the team's always going to be working hard.
Right.
So that's my parents' DNA, and obviously that's my DNA too.
All right. Okay, before I let you go, is there anything you want to say?
Just thank you for all your support. We hope that we get a good crowd here tomorrow, so we're able to celebrate together with a great performance. And thank you for your prayers and for our team. Thank
you so much for your time. All the best for tomorrow.
Thank you.
Thank you.